What's going on, guys? We got some breaking news from our friends over at the World Health Organization, those absolute legends, letting us know that our vaccines and boosters may be useless against the new strains of COVID. Well, who'd have thought? Who'd have thought, honestly? We never saw this coming. If only we spent all of that time, effort, money, and energy telling people to, lose some weight, eat healthier, exercise, get some more sleep. Things that work. But no, zero coverage of that. Absolutely none. We have 300-pound women lecturing us about health and how we are the public enemy if we don't get the vaccine. So this segues us to what's happening in Austria, which is madness. Now, let's assume that everything Austria is doing is logical, makes sense, and the vaccines totally for sure work, 100% for sure, and that everyone getting the vaccine is the key to this. So Austria is planning to fine people $3,600 every quarter for not being vaccinated. So, okay, we get it. We need to incentivize people to get healthy. For the greater good, we need to incentivize people to get healthy and beat the COVID. My question is, are you going to fine people for being fat? Are you going to fine people for eating unhealthy? For not exercising? Are you going to break into people's houses and fine people for not getting 6 to 8 hours of sleep? Because those things are public health detriments far worse than not getting the vaccine. So this is truly madness, and I'm really wondering. I wish I had a time machine to just go forward 10 years to see what we all think about this. It's really funny when you think back to history, things like 9/11, right? Like, so George W. Bush had like a 94% approval rating after 9/11. And now you look back at that and what people think about all the things that have transpired since then. And they think very negatively about that. I'm really curious what we're going to think about COVID after, knock on wood, it's all over. Oh, fuck, will it ever end? Goddamn. So my stance on the vaccine and COVID and all that stuff, I feel like I have to say this every video, because people think I'm some sort of like, it gives you autism when you get the vaccine. I got the vaccine and I've been sucking dicks ever since. Like, no, dude. I was for the initial lockdowns. I was for 15 days to slow the spread. Very for it. I was very aware of the fact that everyone can't get COVID all at the same time. But I'm not vaccinated. And I genuinely think it will have no impact on my life. I will probably get vaccinated before I get married because we're going to be leaving the country and you got to do it. But it's not going to have an impact on my life. I don't think it's going to save my life and fucking make me the next, most healthy person in the world. But I don't think it's going to be the worst thing in the world either. I think this is just a fucking racket, to be honest. And the funniest thing about a lot of these like vaccine booster zealots is that these are the same people that talk about how evil like corporations and big pharma are, yet they somehow think these big pharma corporations are doing this out of the kindness of their heart when it apparently isn't fucking doing anything. By the way, everything we've talked about in this video has happened in a 24-hour period. So, by the way, guys, did you know, despite all of the vaccines and boosters that we've done and all of the masks and the social distancing and the lockdowns, all this stuff, we are now experiencing right now, as of the recording of this video, the biggest COVID super spreader event ever. Bigger than when it started. Like, what the fuck? What is the point of all this shit? This is truly fucking madness. I don't know. Is this the canary in the coal mine right now? I truly think it is. It's not. Maybe this is just that we're all fucking fat and unhealthy, and we eat terrible foods and don't exercise. And this COVID thing is the needle, is the straw that broke the camel's back. But no, it can't be that. There's no way. So all we need to do is sit in our houses in absolute fear and wait for Pfizer, those absolute angels, the patron saints of Pfizer, to come and save us all. God bless Pfizer. God bless them. Big Pharma, thank God. So they will come and save us. I know they will this time. They will definitely this time for sure save us. God bless Pfizer.